If you've bought your domain on GoDaddy and want to connect it to Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your GoDaddy domain on Bluehost Nameservers step by step, so your domain points to the right hosting account without confusion. This is a simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all the domains and services tied to your account. From there, look for the section labeled Domains or Domain Portfolio, depending on how your dashboard is displayed. Click the domain that you want to connect to Bluehost. After you open the domain settings, you'll be taken to the domain settings page. Here, you want to find DNS, then click Nameservers. This is the part of the setup where you tell GoDaddy which hosting provider should handle your domain's traffic. Since we're connecting the domain to Bluehost, you need to switch away from GoDaddy's default nameservers and use Bluehost's instead. Now select the option that says I'll use my own nameservers. This tells GoDaddy that you want to enter custom nameservers manually. Once you choose that option, you'll see fields where you can type in the Bluehost nameservers. Enter ns1.bluehost.com in the first field. Then enter ns2.bluehost.com in the second field. Make sure both are typed correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. If you're copying and pasting, double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the nameserver text. When both nameservers are entered, click Save. If GoDaddy asks you to confirm the change, click Continue to finish the update. At this point, your GoDaddy domain is now pointed to Bluehost's nameservers. Next, go back to your Bluehost account. Open your Bluehost dashboard and check the domain connection status. Bluehost should start recognizing the domain once the nameserver update is in place. If it doesn't show immediately, don't worry, that's completely normal. Nameserver changes do not happen instantly across the internet. They need time to propagate, which means different servers around the world are updating with your new settings. This process can take up to 24 to 48 hours globally. In some cases, it may start working sooner, but it's important to be patient during this stage. While you're waiting, avoid changing the nameservers again, unless you made a mistake. Just give the system time to update. You can return to Bluehost later and refresh the connection status until it shows that the domain is connected properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up a GoDaddy domain on Bluehost nameservers the right way. Once propagation finishes, your domain should be fully connected and ready to use with your Bluehost hosting account. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.